Hello everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Alex's Artwork, and today on the first episode of Alex's Artwork, I will be presenting you a reusable tote bag design that I created for Titan Shops back when I was at Cal State Fullerton. Since this is the very first episode of Alex's Artwork on the Ambitious Designer channel, in one of my first videos of this channel, let me talk about the goal of this channel. The goal of this channel is to fulfill my commitment and long life goal of inspiring the next generation of designers to become the best that they can be. I want to show that design is something that you can make a career out of, and it is only right for me to return the favor and inspire the younger next generation to become the best that they can be. So I hope you join me on this journey, and by subscribing on this channel to show your support. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at this Titan Shops bag design that I created for Titan Shops. The design brief for this artwork that I created, the design brief is create a Titan Shop bag design for the Titan bookstore, and you can see here. You can see all the required information that I'm going through right now, and the purpose of this artwork is to make this into a tote bag for 10,000 incoming freshman students at Cal State Fullerton. Here's the front side of the design bag, of the bag design, that is, in the back side of the design bag. And here are the Pantone colors. Yes, these are the Pantone colors. You have Pantone 101C, Pantone 137C, Pantone 7687C, and Pantone 298C. So we don't work with CMYK colors or RGB colors. We work with Pantone colors when we talk about printing these Titan Shops bag. So here is a video of my of the design that is based off of. Here's the Titan Shops bookstore. As we zoom out, here you get an idea of the whole building. And here are the letters that I incorporated into my design. Here's an up-close look of the shadows that I used to see. Here we are back on the Adobe Illustrator file, and here it is. Here's the photo that I took a picture of. Let's compare it to the Titan Shops bag, and here you can see the similarities. And what I did is just make a basic shape of the building and apply it to the Titan Shops bag. And here's the design here. And here are Titan Shops. The letters is based off of what I've showed you in the video. And down here is a pattern that you see on most CSUF buildings, which was built in the 1960s. And during the 1960s, Googie architecture was the trend back then. And here you see is all the other information. And the type, if you're wondering, is Oswald, which you can get it from Google Fonts. And here's the back side of the bag design, and why I made two different night and day is to emphasize the bookstores open day and even in the nighttime. So here's all the required information, and as we scroll down, here are the designs that I created. And you can see the shapes that I made into that you see on the time shops. It's just basic, simple design, and all you have to do is keep it simple. Just use the rectangle tool in the shape builder tool. Here we have two rectangles. Let's swap the outline to a basic shape. Put them together, and you see you formed a design element. And for the hexagon shape or the pentagon shape, all you have to do is add a point, expand it, and that's how I design this thing. It's just like putting together a Lego set. Every time I want to do this type of design approach, I think as it putting a Lego set together is just basic shapes put together. Here you can see the rectangle. Here you can see just basic circles and rectangles. It's really basic but effective. That is what I was going here for. So I'm going to show you a video of how my design was incorporated. And that's me personally in front of the Titan bookstore, Titan shops. And it was, when I saw that video and when I saw it in person where 10,000 incoming freshman students came in with my design, it was such a speechless and humbling experience. And here's one of the photos taken by someone on social media showcasing my Titan Shop's bag design. And here's the real product up close. And it was such a humbling experience since this was my first artwork that's been made to the general public. And it's such a speechless moment. And I can't wait to show you in future episodes of Alex's artwork that this is just one step to a better opportunity. So we're back in Adobe Illustrator. Here we are showcasing my design here, and this is what I sent to the print. This is where I sent to the distributors or the print shop to make terms simple. And here are the Pantone colors, and like I said before, you need to submit this where they get this printed in Pantone colors. You don't send a file with CMYK or RGB. CMYKs for printers, but when you're screen printing, you have to send in Pantone colors. So here's the rendered mocks that I created in Photoshop. Comment in the comment section below on what you think, if I should do a tutorial on how to mock this up. So yeah, so that's about it for this episode, for the first episode of Alex's artwork. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this design. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content on the Ambitious Designers channel. And thank you for watching Alex's artwork. And I will see you on the next one.